Where'd you go, Tupu? Where did Tupu go? Yay! Got a bird leaf on, bird feather.
Wow.
Yay!
Yay! Where'd Tupu go? Ah, Tupu, where'd you go? Where'd you go, Tupu? Where'd Tupu go? Hold on, I'm about to put Lofi in and take your guys' picture. Tupu, you got your foot? Oh no! God, there she is. Tupu, look. Tupu, look. No, Tupu. Tupu.
Tupu, no.
Here, Tupu, cover Lofi.
Tupu right here.
Gosh. Tupu, come. Cover Tupu. Cover Lofi. Eh. Oh, Tupu. No, my ear is dirty. Close your eyes. You got it all in your eyes. Tupu. AJ, you okay? Oh, Tupu kissed you. Okay, Tupu. Oh, Jesus. Make your body straight, babe. You okay, AJ? He's all, not really.
Oh, that's where his legs are. Tupu's doing it, okay? I told Tupu. Why wouldn't I tell him that? Oh my God, my child coming out. Hey, Sessa.
Here, what, Lofi?
Thank you, Tupu. Tupu, can you tie on my leg when we get home?
Oh no! Okay, you gotta go rinse off real quick, Lofi, before it gets in your eye. Don't open your eye. Stand up. Stand up. Just go straight to the. Dad, give me a water real quick. Tupu got it in his eye. Hey, baby. Put your hand down. It make no sense. Got it? Good?
His hand.
Thank you, babe. Tupu's fishing pole.